Welcome dear students. Again our topic is articles. We have discussed articles in our previous lecture. There we divided a and n, and now we are taking that is indefinite article. Now we are going to take the definite article. We have also discussed the significance, the importance कि कितना अहम है ये आर्टिकल. अगर छोटा सा लग रहा है, 3 वर्ड है और एन और द, तो बहुत छोटा है, लेकिन इसकी अहमियत कितनी है कि हमने सिग्निफिकेंस में या इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस में देखा कि अगर हम इसको गलत जगह पर इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उसका मतलब है एक आदमी का हम 2 भी बना सकते हैं. अगर हम जहाँ पर इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है तो हम 2 का 1 बना सकते हैं. यानी एक हमारी गलती की वजह से ये सब हो सकता है. तो ये बहुत अहम है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो जाहिर बहुत छोटा लग रहा है. आज हम ले रहे हैं आर्टिकल में सेकंड पॉइंट, दैट इज दैट. We already know this is definite article. इस definite article में क्या करते हैं हम, पहले जब आर्टिकल है कहाँ पर इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं, क्यों से पहला रूल है कि हम उसको यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज का पहली बार जिक्र करते हैं तो वहां पर इस्तेमाल नहीं. जब हम दूसरी बार जिक्र करते हैं तो वहां पर, सेकंड टाइम जब किसी चीज का जिक्र करते हैं तब वहां पर आर्टिकल दा लगाते हैं. जैसे एग्जाम्पल मैं देता हूँ, आई हैव अ बनाना and an apple. I have a banana and an apple. ये पहली बार हमने जिक्र किया. अब इसी का हम दोबारा जब हम किससे बात करते हैं, दोबारा इसका जिक्र करते हैं तो हम कहें the banana is ripe but the apple is unripe. अब देखिए, पहली बार जब हमने जिक्र किया, पहली बार हमने लिखा I have a banana, I have an apple. लेकिन इसी का जब हमने नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में जिक्र किया तो हमने कहा the banana is ripe but the apple is unripe. the banana, the apple. यहाँ देख लीजिए किस तरह हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि इस बार जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो सुनने वाला है, लिसनर है, वो जानता है हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं. तब ये द बन जाता है. तब यहाँ पर हम आर्टिकल द लगाते हैं. यहाँ हम एक और एग्जांपल देते हैं, एक और वन रूल में. ही सैट ऑन, एग्जांपल है, ही सैट ऑन ए चेयर. दूसरा, ही सैट ऑन द चेयर near the door. Example देखिए, he sat on a chair means there were many chairs and he sat one of them. Sat on one of them. Many chairs, he sat one of them. Next, he sat on the chair near the door. He sat on that chair. That chair is a particular in the sense. Why? Because that is near the door or near the window, near the dais. This rather. So this is how we can make the difference of the things, how we use the article in such situation. Besides, when it is understood already, just like that, when we say the floor, the door, the window, the bank, etc. We use this in the sense that the listener knows which. हम कमरे में बैठे हैं, अगर 2 दरवाजे खुले हैं तो हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं stand up and shut the door. The listener will ask the question, which door, sir? So in that case we have not used the article the in the right perspective. So the door means when there is only one door, come on, stand up and shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the window. Means there is जो सुनने वाला है वो खड़ा होकर खुद ही इसको बंद कर, तो उसका मतलब है उसको पता है. यहाँ where is the bank? Where is the bank? अगर उसने हमें सवाल पूछा कौन सा, तो उसका मतलब यहाँ पर बहुत है ये उसको अंडरस्टैंड नहीं है, तो हमने गलत वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया. मैंने से जब उसे कहा, जब एकदम उसने बोला यहाँ से आप जाइए फलानी जगह पर है बैंक, तो उसका मतलब वहां पर एक ही बैंक है, वहां पर उस सूरत में हम कैसे, वेयर इज द बैंक, मीन देयर इज ओनली वन बैंक एंड यू नो दैट, you know the address of that, you know the location of that bank. So you simply ask, go this way and that way, that's situated there. Okay, the bank इस तरह, the room, the door, the window, इस सेंस में हम इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इसके अलावा हम लिखते हैं the cinema, the theater, इनके साथ आर्टिकल का इसमें. I have gone to the cinema many times. I have seen this movie on the cinema on many occasions. But I have never been to the theater. I have gone to the cinema, but I have never been to the theater. So this is because we have to use article here. Definitely, without article they are incorrect. We can't leave article over here. And there is one more thing, the radio, but TV. I have heard this news on the radio. I have heard this radio on the radio. But I have heard this news on TV. Because we can't use article with TV. In this way, we can differentiate the things. And besides that, we can use articles with the males like this. We can't, no articles with males. Articles with males. Name of males, dinner, lunch, breakfast, supper. These are the names of meals. We can't use. I have taken lunch. I have had my lunch. Here. Okay. I have taken dinner. I have taken supper, and such words. In this case, we can't use articles. Means names of males. And besides that, we can use like this: noun plus number. This is important. Noun plus number. When there is noun plus, there is a number given. Noun plus number. In this case, we don't use article. We don't no articles. No articles. Like this. Platform 5. The train is on the platform. The train is on platform 5. The train is on platform 5. Noun plus there is a number given. Question 6. Question number 6. Question 2 rather. Question 2. Question 2 carries 5 marks. Question 2 carries 5 marks. We can't use article with this. This is noun plus number. World War I. World War I. World War II. But the same number, if it is said like this, first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. In this case, we have to use article. Like this, platform the 5th. Platform, rather the platform 5. Rather, sorry. Platform the 5th. The World War First. The World War First. The Third World War is on cards. The Third World War is impending. The Third World War. World War the Third. World War III. But World War III. World War I. World War II. World War the Third. First, second, third. This is also number. If we use number like first, second, third, we have to use article. Either before that, before the noun or before the number. Like this, the World War First or World War the First. But World War I, World War II, World War III. This is called the noun plus number. in such cases, we now understand the difference between this and first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And besides that, that is the only thing. When there is only one thing, let me rub it off first. Okay, let me rub it first, and then we will continue it. Different rules we have to learn. We have to remember them. This is very easy. This is not difficult to understand. Only we have to memorize the rules and remember them. Okay. Then there only we have to use the article. The only thing. This rather sixth or seventh rule. The only thing. Article the with only thing. Only thing. When there is only thing, like this. Everest is the highest peak. Okay, Everest is the highest peak. The Ganges or Ganga is the longest river. Okay, and these are two examples that I have given over here. The highest, in other words, we can say the highest means the superlative degree. We have to use the article with the superlative. Highest is the highest. And one more thing, Everest, we have not used the article with Everest. Everest is a single peak. When we use single peak, we need not to use article like this. Instead of that, if there is a range of mountains, the Himalayas, okay, the Alps, okay, these are the ranges. With the range of mountains, we use article. But there is a single peak like this, Everest, K2. These are the single peak. But a superlative degree like this, the highest is the superlative degree. One more thing, the Ganges is the longest. Once again, the longest means this is the only river. That is, no one is longer than that. Maybe in India, okay, the longest, the highest. In other words, this is also called the superlative degree. Here we have also used the Ganges. We will learn about it more in many coming rules. Okay, and these are some things that we have to remember. Besides that, we have to use article with the words like this. The capital, the sea, okay, the capital, the sea, and the environment, the sekai, the environment. These are some words. With these words we have to use. Paris is the capital. It's the word capital. Word capital. The Paris is the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France. The sea. He has gone to the sea. Sea as a water body. Here it is. Now, sometimes we don't use article sea. We say only simply, he is at sea. There is a difference between sea. I have gone to the sea. I have seen the sea. I have gone to the sea to catch fish. The sea. He is at sea. At sea means voyage. At sea means he is traveling by sea. Okay? At sea. The sea means a water body. Similarly, the capital, the Sekai, here, he's just there are there are these stars shining in the sky, and similarly in the sun. Don't go outside in the sun. Don't sit in the sun. Doesn't mean in the sun means धूप में मत बैठो. इस तरह हम कहते हैं कभी कभी आप धूप में मत बैठो तो हम कहते हैं in the sun. Okay. So these are some words where we have to use the article, and besides that, bad homework, here we don't use. Again, here no articles like this, bad, home, see, extra. Here the sea, it means one thing. Sea, here means sea voyage. He is at sea. And similarly bad, bed. He has gone to bed means to sleep. He has gone to bed and come home. Welcome home. So no article with this word home. But when we use article the bed, he is on the bed. That is a piece of furniture. The bed. The bed. Piece of furniture. The bed is piece of furniture. But bed, simply makes bedding like that. In that case, we don't use article bed and the bed. This is how we differentiate between the different things. It means the bed means a piece of furniture. And besides that, space, the space, we have the space, and one more is space without article, space. Space, so many people have gone to, scientists go to space to explore things there. That's space without article. But when we say the space means room. It means room. Is there any space to park my car? Is there the space to park my car? Is there any space? Is there the space to sit? Space means room, and we already have learned this thing. Room, it is countable as well as uncountable. Here it is uncountable. Space is uncountable. The space is uncountable, but space room is also countable. Room, one room, many rooms. A room is available. Is there any room available in the hotel? Yes, we have many rooms. We have many rooms. There are so many rooms. So there is singular as well as plural. If it is countable, but when it's uncountable, there is only one per. Here it is only having only one per, means the space means room. It doesn't mean in that sense. So there is how we can differentiate different things. Now you see the space means room, and space means the place between the heavenly bodies and the earth, between that. But there we don't use any article like this. And see what is the difference between the sea and sea. Sea means sea voyage. When you travel at sea, means that the sea means a water body. And similarly we have to use article the. This is I think do for today, and with this I conclude today's lecture. I will continue it in next chapter. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.